Hello fellow traders, it's Prof. I just want to share with you my views on gold. I've recently read an article from Barron's website regarding what the analysts from the Bank of America are seeing and are saying about this precious metal rising just above 78%. That will see gold rising to $300 mark. Not 300, 3,000, yes. So I can say I believe those analysis looking at this current market and current price action where gold is currently trading, one can even see that there is still room to the upper side, where maybe from these levels that's where we can start to look for rejections above this 1920 level over there. So I'm just going to share with you my technical perspective, technical views on this one. As you can see, I'm on a monthly. My reason why am I saying market can even go up to reach that 1920 over there is because of I'm still viewing this as a potential double top formation in play from that high corrected to this low, and now we are still working on that second top. So if it can push up to this level, then we get a rejection there, then that's where maybe we can start to have a correction from those areas above there. And then again, I'm viewing this as the first wave, second one, and we are currently working on the third wave over there. In those who trade Elliott waves, hence I'm saying that if we start to see weakness coming in here and rejections, then that's when maybe we can start to work on a bigger correction in the form of wave 4 before we rise higher again to reach those highs, even that $3,000 mark that is being mentioned by the analysts from Bank of America. So that's how I see it on a longer term. So if you can mark the recent swing highs and swing lows, you can even see that for now price is quite expensive for one to buy around those levels. So a potential thing is for one to wait for a pullbacks and a decline to desired areas of buying. Looking at the other time frames like the daily and the 4th hour, even to the H1 time frame. So I've got my charts here on 4 hour that is already marked. Before I can go there, I will just show you again another pattern that I see here. On this daily, one can see that after this initial big move higher, the market came here and gave us that top, then it corrected, then it pushed again here. So once we break below this level over here, guys, this 1680 level, then this market will be coming maybe to these levels over here or even here. So that's what I'm going to show you on my smaller time frames, shorting this market before taking up that big move higher. Okay. Yeah, so here's that H4 time frame where one can even see that from these levels here we start to see weakness coming in, and then price is still kept from this short-term rising trend line over there. So here price is correcting. Once we see price breaking from those lows and even these levels over here, then that's where we can confirm that that top formation it's valid and it becomes validated. So this is just the neckline. So once the 1670 level gets broken, then the market will obviously come down. We can look at this previous structure, support as our first targets, maybe because of it will be coming closer to this 200-day moving average, or if it fails to hold, then we'll be looking at this harmonic pattern that we have there in a form of a bed pattern. So this is how simply how one can trade this market coming in the few sessions to come or in the days to come. Again, so here now we just wait and see what happens. If this trend line here, this short-term rise, is not going to hold price and price falls below this level and this one or this year, so my important one is this 116.70, whereby I will take my shorts and target these areas going down. But even from this one, I'll start to look at price action, how it behaves if I get an opportunity to short it. Once it breaks these lows or this one here, then I can take my sales and put my stops obvious above these highs and those levels over there. So this is simply how I'm going to trade this one on a short term before taking that big buy and targeting that $3,000 levels. Okay, this is what I see on gold, and this is how I'm going to trade it. And thank you very much, guys. Cheers. Up until next time, keep on updating. This gold chart is a great opportunity. Just be patient with it for sales before embarking on that big buy. Bye bye.